Hola Glam Glocks, welcome back to another video. Today we actually will be doing a wig review or hair piece review. They're wig bangs, I don't know. I'm really excited. I tend to not wear bangs simply because my forehead then just breaks out so badly because I sweat. Another reason why I don't tend to do bangs is because you do have to cut your hair in order to have bangs, and my hair grows extremely slow. really slow, so I kind of err on the side of caution and go ahead and not do it. So it would kind of be cool to not have to worry about bangs. So let's kind of get my hair out of the way. It is a mess right now. Please pay no attention to this hair, guys. Oh my goodness, just sweat, just so much sweat. So here is the box it came in, and had some bubble wrap and another box. Okay, so that's nice that they put it in a box for you. And the company is called DeeThens, Natural Real Hair for Women, and this is in the shade Natural Black. So drop the card, excuse me. Okay, all right, so they send you this card on top, and it's nicely packaged in here. This is the card on top. Kuka style? Excuse me? What? Inside, 100% human hair, how to wear the bangs. Number 1, comb the hair from the middle to the sides. Okay, stir strand of hair over the top of the fringe. Clip your bangs to your hair through an internal BB clip. Put down the hair after wearing bangs. Comb your hair with your brush. Okay, and like it kind of gives a picture. So it gives you the steps on what to do right here, and then the picture right here. Okay, they're telling you to do like a middle part, and then clip the hair right there, and put the hair put down the hair after wearing bangs. Flip your bangs to your hair through an internal BB clip. Okay, let's figure it out. Let's figure it out. So I see something here on the side. Okay, they gave me some lashes. I might have to fluff those up with the spoolie brush because they kind of they don't look as fluffy as I would like. I do like that it starts off small on the inner corner and goes out bigger toward the eye. I love a cat eye if I were to, you know, wear them on the daily. Okay, so they put like a little hair roller in the middle. Okay, cute. Let's see. So let's get the net off, being very careful. And this is what they look like. Okay, all right. Let's get you, okay. Let's get you off of the clip, okay. So it does have like a little clippy right there. All right. Let's see. Okay, so I've parted the hair down the middle. Okay, so it says to take the clip. Okay. I feel like there's a bump up here. Okay. All right. Wait. Okay, just messed this up somehow. I don't know what I did. Let's start over. Yeah, I don't think this is like, there's clearly like no. So this according to the instructions, that is not how I would wear the hair. Honestly, I would actually want like a bun on top of my head, and then I would clip this on. So let me show you how I would style that. What I would do once I have the hair up is I would grab the bangs. I would slide them up into about the length that I want. I think right there is good. Fluff them out, and to cover up that right there. Yeah, I think that's good. It's not too in my eyes. I would get, this is just some hair that I bought at the mall here, and I just got a ponytail, and I've got it in the middle. I'm going to wrap this around my little bun that I've already gotten, and I'm just going to wrap it around. And this is to kind of like cover up what I've already kind of done, or cover up my natural hair. Okay, so that is all bobby pinned. And then you just kind of like spread the hairs, spread the bangs. I want to flatten these down just a little bit more. You can always get your hot iron. I'm gonna put it on the lowest setting, and you can make the hair smoother, maybe even curl these ends. But this is how I would wear it. Me personally, this isn't the best upper of hair. Like, I didn't do anything to the back, but if it on the normal, I would gel that down. But this is how I would wear the bangs. But these are cute. Okay. This would be really handy, because did you see how quick I did that though? That was really quick. Like, that's like a 5-minute hairdo. Kidding me right now? But yeah, you can even cut these shorter. It's whatever you want to do. So cute. See, and it blends into the hair that we use to wrap our hair. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed this video, this review of these bangs. Everything will be down in the description below, all the links, everything, like I always do. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, be a part of the Glam Glock family. Man, today has been a day. It has been a day. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I will see you next time. Bye.